Mama's Kitchen. I'm gonna prepare African Mama's Ofada stew, also called designer stew, in a special way. I'm gonna use this whole lot of peppers, which are mostly green peppers. I'm gonna use what is called habanero pepper or scotch peppers. I'm gonna use onions, but later I will show you my meats because I'm gonna use a lot of different meats to make that. So before we go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my peppers and cook it to dry before I come back. Finish my Ofada stew. The ingredients that I have to do the Ofada stew, I have the meat stock, I have the cut onions, I have the Maggi, I have the crayfish. I'm gonna put stockfish in it. I have the boiled egg. I have assorted meat. I have goat meat in it. I have shaki, tender cow skin, and any kind of meat you want, you can add to it. I have dry fish over there. I have iru. Over there I have the green pepper already cooked and dried, and I have my African palm oil. So now I'm about to go to the stove and I'll add the oil, then I'll start cooking. Add onions to the oil, and I put the heat on the low heat. See how it's cooking? This is African oil with onions cooking right now. So I'm gonna add my iru to that. Remember, you have to wash the iru to make sure there's no sand in it. So I washed my iru real good. So I'm adding the iru now to the oil and onions. And I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit. The onions is done and the iru, so I'm gonna add the peppers. Sizzle. I'm gonna let it cook. The pepper is kind of ready, so I'm gonna start adding stuff. I'll add some crayfish to it. This is crayfish. I'll add crayfish to it. I'll tonic. And I add some dry fish. Add some stockfish to it. Remember, you can add anything you want to add. You know, any kind of meats you want to add to it, you can add to that. I'll add my Maggi. Add salt to taste. I'll just put a little salt, just little salt for now, and later I'll taste it and see if there's salt to it. And I'll add the meat, which we sometimes call the orishirishi. I'll add the orishirishi to it. And I have the meat stock, and I add the meat stock to that. Then I'm gonna let it cook and boil. Before I leave, I'm gonna drop my eggs to that. So I'll let it cook. So I'm gonna let it cook, and I will show you the last product of it. But let the Ofada stew cook, and then all the seasonings will now go into it. And I tested it a little bit. There's no actual salt to it, so I'm gonna drop some little salt again. You can let this cook for the next 10 minutes, but on a low heat so it doesn't burn. Just let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Okay? Now the Ofada or designer stew from African Mama's Kitchen is ready. So I will be showing you. I will be dishing it out with my rice later, and then I will go on and show how to make the real okra soup all the way from African Mama's Kitchen. All right, thank you. This is your Ofada stew with rice. See how I dropped a boiled egg on top of it? This is very rich. Ofada stew with white rice all the way from African Mama's Kitchen.